Hi, I'm Tegan from Soul Spa. Today I'd like to teach you a beautiful meditation technique called RAIN. RAIN stands for Recognize, Accept, Investigate and Non-Identify with Your Feelings and Emotions. When we are depressed, we often have emotional energy that is depressed. That is, we have unresolved emotions within our body that is playing havoc and making us feel heavy and constricted. So this is a beautiful technique that can help us to come into contact with unresolved emotions. I hope you enjoy it. Take a comfortable seated position and bring your awareness to your breath. Take a more full, deeper breath. Breathe in fully and breathe out slowly. Just spend a few moments with your breath. Now bring something to mind you would like to bring attention to. Something where you get annoyed or get caught feeling down on yourself. It may be a situation that upsets you or a habitual pattern with a partner or a child. Run it through your mind like a movie, seeing the characters, the situation clearly, and bring it to the frame where you feel stuck. See the person, see the situation. Allow yourself to really experience what is happening. Now freeze the frame where you feel really triggered. Let your intention be to allow yourself to have the experience and not to interfere with the process. Begin to investigate what you are experiencing and notice what is happening in your body. Ask yourself the question, what is happening right now? If you like, you may like to take a posture that you are feeling. If it's anger, go ahead and clench your fist. Do what you need to do in order to fully experience how you are feeling. Ask yourself the question, what is it like when I get caught up in this? Now feeling the feeling and remembering that a feeling is just a feeling. Notice if there is a belief behind it without identifying with it too much with your mind. Just dropping in a question, asking yourself, what am I believing? Ask yourself if something is there. What do I believe about myself in this situation? If you notice a belief, Notice the felt sense where it is in your body. And as you do this, come into a feeling of love and kindness. You may want to place your hand on your heart to assist with this process. You might feel angry or hurt. You may feel shame, but there's the hand and the touch saying in some way, I'm here and I care. What does that hurt part of you feel? What does that hurt part of you that is vulnerable or upset need from you? Just bring in great compassion and kindness and presence. Just be present. Notice what you are feeling, honoring the life that presents here and now. Just saying yes to everything you are experiencing in this present moment. And now gently release the practice and bring your awareness back to your seated position. Notice how you feel. Well, I hope you enjoyed that practice. If you would like to learn some more techniques to help you to heal from anxiety and depression, go to my website www.soulspaprogram.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this post with as many people as you feel may benefit, and have a beautiful day. I hope to see you soon.